to that. That's insane. I still have chills. My goosebumps have goosebumps. I have to start it over. I'm sorry, but I have to start it over. I cannot believe.
Halo dulurku se-Indonesia semuanya, selamat datang di channel Rafiko, terima kasih telah mengklik video ini. Apa kabar dulur semuanya hari ini, dimanapun dan sedang apapun dulur semua sekarang. Admin doakan semua selalu dalam keadaan sehat, amin. Di bawah sorotan lampu panggung yang megah, para juri dan penonton terdiam. Mereka tak tahu apa yang akan mereka saksikan. Namun, ketika langkah Putri Ariani pertama kali menghentak lantai, ruangan ini seketika diisi dengan gelombang keajaiban dan kecerdasan seni yang belum pernah mereka alami sebelumnya. Lalu, seperti apa reaksi penonton ketika melihat penampilan Putri Ariani di balik layar kaca? Tanpa berlama-lama lagi, mari kita mulai lur.
She's so sweet.
So cute.
Yeah.
Really good.
Does that mic feel like it's a good spot for you? Cool. Are the keys good?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Have fun.
All right, here we go.
Oh my gosh. Hold on. Okay, I have got goosebumps everywhere. I did not expect. Oh my gosh, I have chills. I just didn't expect that voice to come out of her. I mean, I expected it to be good because it's a golden buzzer, but I just did not expect that voice. Wow. 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 Okay, hold on.
Thought you are my best friend, being my prince, but I was wrong. Oh, baby, you changed your pain into the blue.
The range.
In this love, promise we'll forever.
Oh my gosh.
And now you left me alone, 'cause you'll find someone better. You win.
Hold on. She went from hello to that. That's insane. I still have chills. My goosebumps have goosebumps. I have to start it over. I'm sorry, but I have to start it over. I cannot believe. I'm just not expecting that voice. And that voice sounds like it's somebody that's been singing for, 40 years, and they're all professional and polished, and like I don't know if this is a term, because I'm not an expert, and I'm not a vocal coach and all that jazz. But she's like radio professional sounding. Like she should be on the radio already. She should have her own record label. She should have all of this stuff. Like that's what she sounds like. She's 17. 17.
in there?
I don't know.
Hi, Putri. This is Simon. This is Simon. Yeah. Huh?
She's 17. Wow. Wow. I'm just blown away. Okay, hold on. Okay.
Admin pahami dan rasakan bahwa mungkin perasaan haru dan bangga masih menggebu-gebu di dada dulur-dulur semua. Air mata juga mungkin sebentar lagi akan menetes. Namun, nyatanya penampilan Putri Ariani masih belum usai. Dan mari kita bawa perasaan itu sambil melanjutkan reaksi untuk lagu kedua yang dibawakan Putri.
Wow.
What I gotta do to make you let me? What I gotta do to make you care? What do I do when lightning strikes me? And I wake to find that you're not there.
There's so much maturity in her sound.
What a voice.
Hold on, I'm just going to pause it just for pause's sake. Because I don't want this video to get blocked. First, I just want to say, her voice is flippin' amazing.
That mature of a voice. That was unbelievable.
What I gotta do to make you
I don't know,
love me?
nothing.
What I gotta do to be heard?
I love this song so much.
What do I say when it's all over, baby?
It's amazing. I was so blown away. And then after I got over the shock of it, it is so emotional, so heartbreaking. If you could put a sound to the words heartbreaking, that was the sound towards the end of that song. You can't listen to that and not get teared up. I mean, you just can't.
Jutaan orang di seluruh dunia terkejut dengan momen ini. Mereka tidak tahu bahwa Putri Ariani akan membawakan penampilan yang tidak hanya menghipnotis, tetapi juga menyentuh hati mereka. Di tengah megahnya panggung, sinar terang bersinar dari pribadinya yang begitu kuat dan menginspirasi.
Sorry seems to be the hardest word. It's sad, so sad. It's a sad, sad situation. And it's getting cold and more absurd.
She just feels it.
It's sad,
Yeah.
so sad.
Amazing. It's gonna take me a while to get back. Wow. I need to get paper. That was powerful. You don't know how that has changed that girl's life from one minute to another. She will remember this no matter where she goes in life. She'll remember that special moment.
So sad. It's a sad, sad situation.
Wow.
And it's getting cold and more absurd.
She just feels it.
Yes, she does.
It's sad, so sad. Why can't we talk it over?
Wow.
Always seems to me. Sorry seems to be.
Wow, control. Control.
Dan panggung bergemuruh dengan tepuk tangan yang tulus, kekaguman yang meletus dan rasa hormat yang meluap. Di hari itu, Putri Ariani telah menciptakan sejarah. Dia telah membuktikan bahwa keberanian dan bakat dapat membangun jembatan di antara kita, menyatukan hati dan mengubah dunia. Putri Ariani mengungkapkan keajaiban batinnya melalui alunan nada piano dan vokal yang menghanyutkan, menyihir penonton dan menjelajahi setiap sudut hati mereka. Maka tidak heran jika reaktor tadi ikut menangis. Sampai jumpa lagi lur di video-video selanjutnya bersama channel Rafiko. Terima kasih telah menonton.